Hello, and welcome to Wing Tips. As you already know, at Wingtra, we're always pushing forward to provide our customers with an easy and efficient aerial data collection experience. And now, we're moving on to the next level. Today, we're introducing WingtraCLOUD. This platform will enable your organization to scale mapping operations with ease in one intuitive ecosystem. The aim of WingtraCLOUD is to offer much smoother integration of aerial data across even the largest organizations, closer collaboration anywhere in the world at all hours when synced, more productivity, and consistent progress reporting based on accurate, on-demand views and tight communication. True-to-life insights, empowering critical business decisions in a more timely manner. When it comes to getting valuable insights out of aerial data, the WingtraCLOUD platform will take what was once a disjointed and complex process and transform it through next-level functionality, making an easy and intuitive workflow that integrates into any size organization across a range of projects and sites. Today, on the WingtraCLOUD platform, you can experience the platform's core functionalities around improved and simplified project planning based on intuitive 3D flight plans and color-coded elevation graphs to track accuracy, safety, and regulations adherence all before takeoff. You'll also experience team coordination around aerial data setup and capture thanks to WingtraCLOUD syncing and sharing tools. It will cut out much of the potential for error so that you'll have greater peace of mind and have more time freed up to run quality control and scale your business for better margins. Coming in early 2025, the WingtraCLOUD experience is all about seamless WingtraCLOUD integrations with your favorite analytics software and the sharing of those insights. We're really excited, and this is just the beginning. Are you ready to join us today? If so, sign up to opt in to the WingtraCLOUD platform for yourself. And if you're not quite ready and would like to learn more, be sure to check out our website for more information on the platform. In our next Wing Tip video, we'll be going into more detail as to exactly how the WingtraCLOUD makes your whole organization more efficient. I hope you found today's video useful, and I'll see you next time for more Wing Tips.